Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the refeeding syndrome. This refeeding syndrome is a potential lethal complication which occurs due to rapid and excessive feeding which is given to the patients who are suffering from malnutrition. We should not give excessive feeding. If we have given excessive feeding, then that is called as refeeding syndrome. So because of this refeeding syndrome, there is shift of metabolism occurs from fat to carbohydrates, and because of that these normally in starvation or in prolonged malnutrition status, fats are the one which are utilized by our body. But during refeeding syndrome, because of giving excessive and rapid refeeding, these fats are, there is a shift of metabolism suddenly from fats to carbohydrates, and as a result you will see increased release of insulin is seen because of that. So this will cause migration of electrolytes into the cells. Because of increased insulin, now all the electrolytes will migrate into the cells, and thus because of increased cellular uptake of electrolytes in the blood, the electrolytes will be decreased. That means there is hypophosphatemia, hypomagnesemia, hypokalemia, hypocalcemia occurs in the blood because all the electrolytes will suddenly go into the cells. So these will result in arrhythmia, confusion and respiratory failure, and finally leading to death. This refeeding syndrome is most commonly seen in total parenteral nutrition, more commonly than enteral nutrition. Then once you see this refeeding syndrome, you will have to treat it. For that you will have to match the intake with the requirement, and then you should avoid the overfeeding, and calorie delivery should be actually increased slowly instead of increasing it rapidly. Always give vitamin administration should be given before starting the feeding, and if there is any hypophosphatemia, these should be corrected if any. So this is how we will have to treat the refeeding syndrome. Thank you for watching.